Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Dino Rescue vehicles from Mattel from 2017 to 2018. As you can see, this is the Dino Rescue helicopter and it comes with Velociraptor Blue. See? And you can also open this so that it can release the Dinosaur. And the next vehicle is also a Dino Rescue, and this comes with the beautiful Triceratops, and you take the Triceratops out and the box can actually lift up. This is what the vehicle looks like at the back, and it's got engine written on the roof. And I bought this in 2018 at Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.